Hello everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion.
A cooking show where my wife and I try to recreate my family recipes.
Today we're celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi by making a special sweet for Ganesh called Boondi Laddu.
So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking! Add 1 tablespoon of ghee to a kadai and heat it to medium heat. Add handful of raisins, a handful of chopped cashews and handful of chopped pistachios and roast until golden and aromatic. And remove them and place them aside.
Add 1.5 cups of besan or gram flour to a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and optionally add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk this all together well. Now slowly add about a cup of water, a little bit at a time, while whisking constantly. Whisk it until it's smooth and has no lumps, and then begin to thin it out more. Optionally add some yellow or orange food coloring and mix well. Test the consistency of your batter by ladling some into a strainer spoon like the one shown here. The batter should be falling through in clear drops without any long tails. Fill a kadai with oil and heat it to medium heat. Test the temperature of your oil by dropping a little bit of batter into it. It should rise immediately as shown here. Now ladle some batter in the same way as before. Shake the straining spoon to get as much batter out of it as possible. Fry your boondies for just 1 minute. You do not want them to get crispy. Then remove them from the oil and set them aside.
Add 1 cup of sugar to a pan or kadai and heat it to medium heat. Add ½ cup of water and mix well. Boil for 3 minutes. Add ½ teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Optionally add a few drops of orange or yellow food coloring. Add little bit of lemon juice to prevent crystallization. Turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Then add your fried boondies and mix well. Add half teaspoon of ghee, half teaspoon of Kora water, and your roasted dry fruits and mix well. Cover and let it sit for 20 minutes.
Take about 1/5 of your mixture and add it to a mixer grinder. Then grind it into a fine paste. Now add this paste back into your mixture. Grease your hands with some ghee. And then mix it all together well. Take about a handful of mixture and press it very firmly between both of your hands as shown. Once you begin to feel it hold itself together, you can lightly form it into a round ball. Follow the same procedure for the rest of your mixture.